There are trucks, and then there are trucks. AutoSavvy trucks stand head and shoulders above the rest, literally and figuratively. AutoSavvy trucks are lifted by certified, qualified professionals using name-brand aftermarket lift kit products like Rough Country, Fuel, BF Goodrich, and Nitto, just to name a few. An AutoSavvy lifted truck is built to go where other trucks do not dare. Regardless of your brand of choice, Ford, Chevy, Ram, GMC, Toyota, or even Jeep, we've got your next lifted truck or SUV. Big value, big trucks, big savings. AutoSavvy, your source for savings and lifted trucks.